Hello, welcome to the TV room. I have done something that could indeed be rather, well, I don't think it's terrible, but something I thought, I really shouldn't do this, but I went ahead and did it anyway. I did a very long video, and in it, I removed the 555 chip and put in a socket, but also, and that made no difference to what was going on, but then, also, I decided I would take out this capacitor from each machine and swap it and see if it made any difference. And indeed, on the one machine, don't worry, this is a very quick video, Andrew. On the one machine, it didn't seem to make any difference, but on this one, the bright means machine that was perfect, instead of the reset being high, now it is low. And, looking back on it, I should not have done that. I should not have. But I did. So now I've got to figure out more of what it is and see what's what. So it's one of those things where I thought, probably changing the chip, I won't do any harm. But, so reset bit is low in this machine. The other one, the reset bit is high. So I will consult with Rudy at Rudy's Retro Intel. And he is better at schematics than I, but I will indeed look at, and I have been looking at the schematics to see what parts are in line with this timing thing. Anyway, these setbacks, it is easy to get frustrated and lose confidence. But I must push forward and see what's what. So, thanks for coming. Thanks for being here. Do have a lovely day and stay tuned. And if you have any thoughts on this whole high bit, low bit, reset, low, reset, high, that would be great. I know some people have already sent me suggestions and things, and I've been working on them. I will continue to work the problem. Thank you very much. Have a lovely day. With regret, David Bradley. Bye for now.